and welcome back to Loaves and Dishes. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reheat egg drop soup. My name's Sarah, and I have been doing food content creation or cooking in some capacity for 10 plus years now. This recipe, this method will work not only for egg drop soup, but it'll work for just about any soup. When a soup cools off and you put it in the fridge for a little bit, it tends to thicken up some, and that's just something that happens with soups, but especially with egg drop soup because it has eggs and we put cornstarch in it as well, and so both of those are thickeners. And so all we're gonna need to do is get the soup out, put it in a pot, start to heat it up, and put in a little bit of chicken stock. That's gonna help thin it back out so that it's a good consistency again. And this will work great for any other soup. So if you have a vegetable soup, you'd wanna use vegetable stock. If you have something like an onion, like a French onion soup, you'd wanna use a beef stock. Anything else like that, you'd wanna use whatever kind of stock that you put in the soup initially. But generally, if it's not like a vegetarian specific, chicken stock will work just fine for just about any soup or water. But you just want to be careful that if you use water, and even when you use chicken stock, you want to give it a little bit of taste. You want to taste it first to make sure that it doesn't need any additional seasoning, because those can water down the seasonings. And also, there's just something about like sitting in the fridge overnight. You just want to taste it for seasoning anyways. Let's reheat some soup. So I have my egg drop soup in the bowl, and I put my spoon in it, and I'm just sort of like feeling the consistency of it, like how much resistance it's giving me. And based on your soup, I would only add a quarter cup about of stock or water at a time. Mine didn't need very much at all, so I left it at a quarter cup. And I added that in, mixed it around really well, and then I left that to heat up, and that's all it took. If you have a thicker soup, it's gonna take a little bit more stock, but just be patient and take your time, and that's all there is to it. If you wanna see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.